Alright boys, we are on our way to a Love's truck stop. We are going to get this single cab Duramax weighed today. Now I don't expect it to weigh much. My estimate before we actually are on the cat scale, my estimate is 6,000 pounds. If you remember some of my previous videos, or maybe not on a video, I put it on Instagram though, but my red truck weighed in, my red truck, the 6.5 half ton, weighed in at 5,500 pounds, 5,500. It says 5,700 on the ticket. That's because I was sitting in it. So I'm 200 pounds, minus, 5,500 pounds. This truck is a 3/4 ton with Duramax. However, it's two-wheel drive and only a single cab. I do think the Duramax, the Allison, the 3/4 ton, everything weighs more. So I still think it's going to be more money or more weight. I'm thinking roughly 6,000. So I'm on my way to Love's, and we're going to hop on their cat scale. Last time it was $11 to get weighed. We're going to see how much it is today. That was like a year ago. So we're going to go get it weighed, and I just want to know, because I want to, as I add power, as I add mileage, as I lower it for more better aerodynamics, I just want to know how it compares to all the crew cab trucks that are out there. I just want to know for my automotive science purposes. So stay tuned. I'll pull up in the truck yard here in a second. Here we are on the cat scale. We are going to do it. That yellow line is the split between steer axle and drive axle. I'm working on a little over half tank of fuel. Alright, the lady says she has our weigh number, so we're gonna get off the scales and go see how much this 3/4 ton truck weighed. Get out. Very interesting numbers here. As you can see, I just met a pilot on their cat scale. Steer axle was 3520, drive axle was 2320. Total weight 5840. So I initially guessed 6,000 pounds. It's a little bit lighter than that actually, and it could be even less if I removed my toolbox. So let's do some math. Toolbox is kind of heavy. Let's say 60 pounds. Battery cables maybe 5 pounds. A drink, a pound. I mean, I don't really have anything else in here that's going to weigh anything. A couple rags. So, minus, this is for rounding purposes, let's just say minus 75 pounds. So minus 75 would put that, minus 75 would put it at 5765. So if I really emptied out this truck right now, that's probably where it weighs, 5765. However, I'm missing half a tank of gas, so roughly on fill up at least 10 gallons, maybe 12 gallons, so 120 pounds. That would bring it up to close to 6. So I mean, it's probably, if I full tank of fuel and filled up everything, I mean, I'm probably just a hair under 6, probably around 59.50 or so. So as you can see, from a year ago, the fee went up 50 cents. It used to be 11, now it's 11.50. There's just some inflation for you. But full drive extended cab, the 6.5, that clocked in at 5,500 pounds. This is a Duramax 2-wheel drive, single cab, clocks in at 5,800, 5,840. So, and I've got, you know, more torque, more horsepower in this. It's probably a good reason why it feels much faster, because of the weight difference. Or the weight's about the same, but power's a good bit different. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just like the info because it tells me a little about my truck, and honestly, you don't see pickup trucks getting weighed too often, and I just wanted to know what the lightest factory Duramax weighs. And this is an 01 2-wheel drive single cab on aftermarket wheels. Probably might add a little bit. I don't know how much a 20x9 wheel weighs compared to a on a 265 Nitto 420 weighs compared to a stock tire and wheel. So but for right now, I can say under 6,000 pounds, and that's pretty accurate. So in case anyone else was curious, now you know. Less than 6,000 pounds is the lightest factory Duramax pickup, and it was an LB7. I'm going to assume the LLYs, LBZs, LMMs, and all the way up probably weigh a smidge more, just for potential more equipment, more safety stuff, more emissions, just more stuff on them. And I'm assuming they probably weigh a smidge more. So I don't feel like it's out of place to say that this is the lightest weight Duramax from the factory that could have been purchased at just a hair under 6,000 pounds.